Oil spray bottle features an easy spray pump mechanism that effectively controls the amount of oil. There are numerous items accessible to olive oil misters. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best olive oil misters from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 Oil Sprayer for Cooking. Oil sprayer can be reused, so you can buy pure oil in bulk and fill it repeatedly. Say goodbye to expensive spray. It meets the requirements of food contact management, is safe and has no peculiar smell, and can be directly loaded into edible oil for use. Reduce your carbon footprint through this environmentally friendly green product. Widely used for frying steak, grilling, baking, salad, air fryer and other home users to achieve atomized spraying of cooking oil, which is hygienic, convenient and fuel efficient. Deeply loved by chefs and gourmets, the real kitchen practical little helper. Each time you pull the trigger, the exact amount of oil delivered is calculated, and you'll get 25% teaspoon, 1.5 grams of oil for total control of calorie counting in your kitchen, no matter which oil you choose. That it is important to swing over the area you want to spray. You should start the swing before you start pulling the trigger, and release the trigger before you stop swiping. Failure to do that will result in an uneven coating, with oil built up anywhere you stagnated at. Number 2. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 Olive Oil Spray Bottle. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 Oil Spray Bottle features an easy spray pump mechanism that effectively controls the amount of oil. It produces fine and uniform oil mist, which makes food a lot healthier, less oily, and tastes better. Unlike oil drizzler and brush, our oil dispenser spray is more convenient to use when cooking, frying, baking, or roasting. It is super versatile and can also be used for vinegar, water, juices, and liquid ingredients. Our oil mister spray bottle is super compact and lightweight at only 1.57 x 7.09 and 209.79 grams. It owns a smooth and exquisite finish with an anti-skid top design that features upgraded food-grade stainless steel funnel. Simply use the funnel to pour olive oil into the sprayer, and then gently press the pump to spray evenly. Firmly press down the button to create a mist. When washing, use hot water and neutral detergent. Press the pump to clean the suction tube and nozzle. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 aims to promote healthier living. That is why all its olive oil spray bottles are crafted with non-toxic and eco-friendly materials. With this oil sprayer, you can reduce food's oil content while making it just as flavorful. Number 3. 𝐜𝐴 Oil Sprayer, Set of 2, Silver. 𝐜𝐴 has been used for years by home cooks who like to control the amount of oil they use. The sprayer is designed with the health-conscious cook in mind, and is perfect for low-fat, high-flavor cooking, grilling, sautéing, roasting and basting. 𝐜𝐴 is ideal for spraying olive oil on salads, pasta, veggies, breads, pizza, chicken, beef and fish. Buy one for each of your favorite oils, great for vegetable, olive, canola and more. Refill and reuse again and again. The non-aerosol sprayer doesn't use chemical propellants, and it's refillable, so no more throwing cans away to end up in landfills. 𝐜𝐴 is BPA-free. Please note, threading the cap on incorrectly allows air to escape, and in turn does not allow the bottle to build up pressure to spray. Number 4. 𝐜𝐴 Oil Sprayer for Cooking. This oil dispenser bottle for kitchen is transparent and conveniently to see the oil remaining. With the oil mister, 𝐜𝐴 Oil, instead of pouring less calories, you can effectively reduce fat intake and eat healthier. The material of the oil spray bottle is food-grade glass and 304 stainless steel. There is anti-slip texture on the top of the bottle cap, which makes it easy to pump and control the oil usage. The dust-proof atomizing nozzle is hidden inside of the cap, efficiently keep it clean. The oil sprayer for air fryer can be widely used to mist olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, vinegar, etc. This oil mister is a handy bottle that you can operate with only one hand. Just need to quickly pump several times as you need it. You can get evenly oil mist on your food. Olive oil spray bottle is designed in a portable size. Width is 1.57 inches, height 7.2 inch, weight 0.43 pounds. You can conveniently take it to a picnic, camping or traveling. Perfect for cooking, making salad, grilling, baking, roasting and barbecue etc. Unscrew the bottle cap from the oil mister, using the provided funnel. Add oil to the bottle, but don't fill it to the top. Use only about 2/3 cups of oil. The remaining space is needed to release air pressure generated by the bottle cap, in order to provide a fine spray. Number 5. Olive Oil Sprayer for Cooking. Different usages have different effects. It will spray fan-shaped oil mist if you more quickly and more forcefully press the handle of the spray bottle. Instead of the spray a jet stream or a straight shot. When you spray oil, you need to squeeze with force. Oil is viscous, obviously, and requires more force to squeeze it out. If you squeeze too lightly, you'll get more of a stream of oil. We use the safer glass material as the container bottle of the oil sprayer. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 oil spray bottle can easily control the oil intake of you and protect your health. Different way, different effect. Press to the end and press quickly, you will get a foggy effect. Halfway down will get a columnar effect. Note: the mist effect will be affected by the distance and consistency of the liquids you fill. High efficient use, without wasting. Improve the taste. 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐤 oil sprayer are nice gifts for moms, cooks, healthy conscious individuals, food enthusiasts alike. We're convinced you will love your new oil sprayer. However, if not fully satisfied, we will give you a full refund.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.